What's up guys, D62A here. Welcome to just a quick update of the Mini. This might be attached to the end of the current video that you're watching or next week's episode or the same week's episode, but just a little surplus of the thing. Because timeline wise, I have no idea when this is releasing. Today is April 11th and you guys are probably seeing this in mid-June or somewhere along those lines. I have zero idea. I'm so behind and I'm just doing the weekly videos. That way, I don't know where this is sitting at right now. But anyways, the car is off the ramp and I'm gonna show you what happened there. Get friends, guys. Here we go. This is why. To help you with things, because I have to rock the car off the ramp. But I have to be on the brake to get ready because it's gonna bash behind me. Get friends, guys. Oh my god, man, it's like so close. Fuck. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, I'm getting cramped. Oh my god. All right, well, that worked. Fuck me. My right leg cramped up. I have to be like close to the pedal for the brake and my hand on the handbrake because it's gonna start going back after I go over the ramp. I can do it like this, but then I'm not inside the car. Oh my god, come on. Oh, it's like right there. Motherfucker. It's like right there, it won't go over. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Oh my god, I can't walk over me. Get friends, guys. Holy shit. All right, so with that taken care of, the reason I took it off the ramp is because I drained the oil again and I have to take the oil pan off again for the third time because I'm having oil pressure issues again. And I think I'm having the same symptoms as, there's a channel called Auto Alex and they have an Auto Alex V2 channel. And the reason I started watching them is because they had a Mini R56 that they bought for cheap and were working on it. I was like, oh cool, they're doing like a Project Mini as well. Started watching that. And now the first motor that they had in that car, hence the word first motor, is that they are having the same issues, or they did have the same issues that I'm having with this car currently, the oil pressure issue. I'm gonna check the oil pickup again for the third time and see if there's anything else in it, but I think I'm having bigger issues where I'm gonna have to check the rod bearings, because if you remember, the first filter had quite a bit of metal in it, and then the oil pickup had metal in it. On this oil drainage, there was this big piece of metal in it. No, I'm kidding, that's the oil drain plug. I got you guys. No, it's not April Fool's, but you can obviously see it right there. That big little chunk right there, that's on top. Pretty big chunk. That has been in the oil, and there was like that staple piece in the last pickup, a lot of things. So I'm going to speak about this here in a bit. So the Mini new bumpers, as you see, it looks good. It looks very good, but the motor might be fucked. the reason I took it off the things is I just want to move it more this way because I don't need to do anything on this side anymore. I'm done with all the bumpers and stuff, and I just want to move it closer here because so my parents can park their car in here, because I don't know how long this car is gonna take to finish because of the oil pressure issue. Because it can be rod bearings, it can be oil pump, and then it can be potentially this spring that I have in my hand. I don't know where this came from. I have zero clue where this came from. And you're asking, how the hell does that happen? All right, this is the current me talking, editing this on July 10th, as you guys saw earlier. I am now watching this, and I'm pretty sure that this is from the oil filter housing, because I got a new one because I thought that was potentially the issue, and I'm pretty sure this spring was in the old one and it probably fell out as I was replacing it. I don't think this is a big deal as I'm making it on this part, so I'm going to skip it. But again, this has been 4 months ago and I have not touched the car pretty much since this. It's just been sitting there the whole time. But I'm looking back at this and I'm pretty sure it's from the old oil filter housing. Hopefully it is. If it is, then this spring doesn't matter at all. But yeah, it was weird how it just came out of nowhere, but I think this is from the new oil filter housing. If it was already replaced, which again, I don't remember the whole content of order or anything like that. Anyways, enjoy. I don't even know what the hell this video is. The reason I'm making this episode is to kind of explain to you guys what's going on, because I might have to take the timing chain out again, replace the oil pump, and do that. Which isn't too bad because I don't have to take off all the extra bits. I just have to take the timing chain off, which sucks. But before I do that, I want to check the rod bearings to see if they are scored by any means. Which on Auto Alex V2's channel, with the mini that they did, that's the issue that they had. Pretty bad, and they got a new motor for it. I can't afford a new motor for this thing, nor do I want to. Well, I would want to be able to afford a new motor for this thing, but yeah, I don't want to get a new motor for this thing. So in this rate, I got to see what's going on with that and check if everything's good there. And then also, yeah, that's kind of, yeah, there's no also to that. That's pretty much what the case is. So what I want to do is I want to move it to the side a little bit, and I want to get 2 more 6-ton jacks like that one there, so I can lift it up significantly high. That way I have a lot of extra room to work with, because the last time I was working on the oil sump, oil drain pan with this, and it sucked because I had 0 room to work with, and taking off 18 bolts and torquing them down again. Not fun. Anyways, I want to get it lifted, move to the side, because I don't know how long this will be sitting. And I do have some pretty big plans with this car. I want to do a cool trip with it. I don't want to say what it is, but it's a pretty cool trip, and it would be so cool to do it in the car that I had to put all back together and stuff. So will it make the trip? Probably not, because it's really far, but that's the plan. If that doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out, and that's what that is. So either way, then I'll go with the Prius, and I'll still make a video on it, but it would be with the Prius. And one, I would save a ton of fuel. I would be a lot more secure. It would be a lot more safe. It would be a lot financially responsible, and I probably wouldn't be stranded because I'd be driving this piece of shit. Anyways, I'm blabbering, but that's pretty much it. So that's why I made this video. I don't know when this is being released, but it's being released at some point that you guys will see it. And pretty much cosmetically, it's done. I'm gonna wrap the roof up top, and I already have a black spoiler for it, and new wheels that I need to get replaced, or fixed, I should say. And yeah, that's kind of it. That's the behind the scenes of this one, because I don't know how this is gonna work. So if you guys stuck around and want to see more of the video, hit the like button down below, subscribe, all that jazz. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. But at this rate, I'm scared it's not good. See you guys.